Hey, it's Burnsy at Van Haven. We have got the coolest clients. This is Chris's van. Now, Chris, a couple years ago, commissioned us to build him a T6.1 panel van that we converted for him and his family into a caravel. Chris uses his van both for work and also for family use. So he's got very young children, but also he often needs to move crews of blokes around the place for his work. Hence why the seat system on rails works really, really well. Now, what's particularly special about this build is that Chris asked us to build him his T7 before we even did a T7. So we have been working on this van for months and months and months. I think he originally ordered it with us June last year. And we actually worked on developing the first Van Haven T7 on Chris's van, along with doing our own van in the background, which is the green one, which is now all over the internet. But I just wanted to show and also say a huge thank you to Chris, who has trusted us to build him a brand new concept of a van. He's been influential in testing the vehicle as well. He was the first van to have all of the new carbon trimmings, all of the internal packs, all of the insulation, sound deadening, new lighting systems, new panels, new ceiling, absolutely new everything. And we really appreciate it, Chris. So let's have a look at Chris's van in a little bit more detail, show you what we did, how you did it, and why it works for Chris and his family. Chris's van is back with us today because it's come in for a couple little tweaks. You will notice on the front end, he has the first of the brand new Van Haven carbon DRLs and our front end carbon kit. We painted this in a gloss clear coat, which really pops against the mid blue colour factory paint. On the sides, we opted for a set of 20-inch black wheels, lowered by 50mm on the front, 90mm at the back, flowing into our carbon side skirts. Inside the cab, and do bear in mind this van has been lived in now for a few months. We've got a full custom leather interior, all of the sports seat upgrade and refoam with a black Alcantara moving all the way from the cab through into the rear. Now, we added an entertainment screen. Chris's kids like to be entertained whilst they're driving, but the van has also got a starlight fibre optic roof, influenced heavily from Rolls-Royce. Again, that's all colour change and keeps the kids entertained when on the road as well. We fitted the Pinnacle rail system with 6 seats that can be moved up and down the rails. The middle row can also be removed, turned around and sat backwards to create a conference mode, which is really, really social, particularly for kids on a long journey. To the rear of the van, we've got our VHR rear diffuser, followed up with a cheeky little tailgate spoiler at the back. Now, originally we didn't paint this back end, but Chris wanted it painted, so we have painted it. And inside the boot, you can see there's still plenty of room for activities. Now, as a one-off, we actually routed some lights into the floor of this van to give a 3-zone lighting fill. We also added an additional halo light at Chris's request, which has worked incredibly well. Rear audio is in the back here. Again, this was a perfect test bed for us for our new audio system, coding speakers into these vans. It's quite a huge task. But the party piece and the feature that Chris has been waiting for an awfully long time is the exhaust resonator. Again, we fitted this on the van almost 10 months ago, but unfortunately the company that makes the piece hadn't quite got their coding right for the T7. And I am delighted, Chris, to announce that we have now got this all coded. Some software was specially made for your T7, so you are the first VW new transporter in the world with a fully customizable exhaust resonator. You want to check this out. Cool. So this is the Thor exhaust resonator kit. It can be programmed with many different sounds, and it's all coded into the vehicle's CAN bus system, so that when I accelerate, the exhaust emulates a V8, a V10. There are about 30 different vehicles on the app that can all be programmed. And we've got So many different noises and sounds, from car sounds that we can do all the way through to these guys here. It's like loads of animal noises, exclamations. You can get it to talk. Thank you. Let's go. Yeah, all sorts of crazy stuff, and you can chop and change whatever you want the vehicle to say. So it's a really cool, fun feature. I'm sure this will be used maybe when Chris is on site with work, maybe to G up the workforce or just have a bit of a laugh. So there we are, Chris, your van's heading back to you this afternoon. Thank you so much for trusting us to build your brand new T7 Transporter. If there is anyone at home like Chris who would like to commission us to build your new van, please pick up the phone and get in touch. Otherwise, do make sure that you're liked and subscribed to us so you can stay abreast of all of our wicked client builds. See you on the next one.